illustrations. In the following examples, each set is written in both the methods. Rule method or set builder form. Listing method or roster method. A is equal to X such that X is a letter of word division. A is equal to D I V S O N. B is equal to Y such that Y is a number. Y square is equal to 9. B is equal to -3 3. C is equal to Z such that Z is a multiple of 5 and is less than 30. C is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Example: fill in the blanks given in the following table. Listing or roster method. Rule method. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. A is equal to X such that X is an even natural number less than 15. B is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16. B is equal to X such that X is a perfect square number between 1 to 20. C is equal to A, E, I, O, U. C is equal to X such that X is a vowel of English alphabet. D is equal to red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. D is equal to Y such that Y is a color in the rainbow. P is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. P is equal to X such that X is an integer and -3 is less than X and X is less than 3. M is equal to 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and so on. M is equal to X such that X is a perfect cube number.